Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Manoj Maity from devchin.net. Guys, I am a digital marketing consultant based in Kolkata. So guys, in this video I'll share with you one of my clients SEO case study that I have been doing for them since March 2021. So it's been almost over a 1.5 year now, and let me tell about their background. They are a home appliance repair service provider based in Kolkata. They do repair services and parts replacement of appliances like AC, TV, fridge, microwave, etc. So I can say that I was able to grow their search traffic by fivefold, and not only search traffic, their lead and online revenue from the website. So I'll share with you some data from Google Analytics and Google Search Console that will prove that my data driven and result oriented white-hat SEO service has helped businesses like them. So if you are a small business provider, if you have a small business or online business and want to grow your business online, you can contact with me. I'll share my details in the description below. So let me show you the screens right now. And hey guys, as you can see on the screen, this is the homepage of the website that I was talking about, the Concord Services, a home appliance repair services service center in Kolkata. So the entire website was developed by me. I used WordPress CMS for this purpose, and besides developing the website, I also designed all the graphics work and also did all the SEO content written on this website, from the landing pages to the blogs. Everything was done by me. And beside that, I also planned the architecture of this website, and because Google loves the site architecture that are well planned and well internally linked together. As you can see, this is the pillar page of a site architecture, and all these pages are internally linked together. It gives Google a strong relevancy signal, and that also helps to boost the ranking for the targeted keyword. So now let me show you guys. The website is well mobile responsive, and I also use this plugin, use this tool to generate leads from Google, because as you can see, anyone who is surfing the website using mobile or any handheld devices, they can directly tap here and call from their devices. So it also helps to get the lead, and those who don't want to call directly from their mobile, or the traffic who are coming from the desktop, they have the option to fill up the form and get a call back from the client. So no traffic is wasted, because we know the value of the traffic from organic search. Now let me show you guys the overall traffic it is getting from the search engine. I am using a tool, Uber Suggest. So let me go to the tool. So guys, according to Uber Suggest, it is getting more than 8,000 traffic organically per month. But I doubt this, because this data is not 100% accurate, because Uber Suggest doesn't calculate or doesn't take into account the three local map pack, local Google map traffic that shows above the organic search results. But this graph tells you that the website is thoroughly improving on the search engine and improving the traffic, improving the organic traffic from every month. So you the top pages, it is getting traffic from the Google. Go to the top pages where traffic. As you can see here that in India, these are the pages guys, it is getting lots of traffic, because in the top 10 of the SERP, it is currently getting more than 300 plus keywords are is ranking in the top 10 of the Google SERP in India, and these are the pages which are getting traffic from the Google search engine. And all these pages are highly competitive from SEO perspective, because these are the branded keywords. Ranking for branded keywords on any city is not that easy, guys, because we have the brand website also coming, we have the website directories also coming. They are targeting the same keyword. Website directories like Just Dial, India Mart, Sulekha, all these websites are targeting the same rank. So that was not easy task, but I well planned, and I analyzed the competitor, put the right content in the website, did the site architecture well, and threw some good backlinks to the website that is helping this website to get this much of traffic. So basically, guys, I will show you a few keywords which is ranking on the Google search engine right now. Let me show you now. So guys, these are the keywords that is ranking on the Google organic search right now in India. Let me show them a few, and I will show you the live result. So this is the keyword Godrej Refrigerator Service Center in Kolkata. It is ranking in the position number 1. Let me go to the incognito tab and search this. So guys, as you can see here, it is ranking in the top number 1 position, even before the brand website Godrej Smart Care. So you can see. Now let me show you a few more other brands like Panasonic AC Service Center in Kolkata. It is also ranking position 1 according to Uber Suggest. So let us search again. Guys, see, this is also ranking in the position number 1. So my strategy was for this website was to choose the keywords that includes brand, appliances, and the locality or the target location you are trying to rank. So this is why it is getting lots of traffic. Let me show you a few another one. Venus Giza Service Center in Kolkata. Look, it is positioned in the top, and it is ranking for a long period of time in the number 1 position. Look, a few more top brands like Samsung Fridge Center in Kolkata, Samsung Fridge Service Center in Kolkata. It is ranking just below the brand website, but it is also getting a traffic because they are also, although they are not an authorized service center, but they are getting lots of they are doing business since 1987, more than 35 years now. So they are a reputed business and getting lots of client. Let me show you a few one like higher AC installation charges. Look guys, it is ranking in the top 3. So guys, that was the keyword ranking report of this website, and it is ranking for many keywords in the top 10 of the Google organic search result. Now let us take a look at the Google Search Console report, what is showing right now. So guys, this is the Search Console report for Concord services. As you can see, I have compared the data. You can see the improvement here, how many clicks it is getting in the last 28 days compared to the previous 28 days. Total number of impressions it is getting. Total average position also decreased, but it will improve slowly. So this is the improvement that I am doing right. I am still working on this website, and I hope in the next few months it will grow even more. So that was it, guys. I have showed you enough information about my SEO performance, about my SEO ranking capability. So if you have any small business, guys, you want to do SEO for your website to get more clients from the Google search engine, you can contact me. I have shared my personal contact details in the description below, and we can discuss further. Thanks for watching, guys.